Curried chicken ingredients. 1/2 of a whole chicken. Cut to pieces. Do not debone 1 stag scallion diced 2 and 1/2 medium onions diced to small.
And then you just cut this again. Just cut that. Like that. Parts, pieces. This is how it looks. This is how the curry chicken look after 15 minutes. Alright. So what I want you to do now, curry the chicken and boil the green bananas. Curry the chicken, boil the green bananas. Curry the chicken and boil the green bananas.
Now add the coconut milk to the pot along with all the seasonings and herbal from which the fish marinated in and a pinch of salt.
Be sure to clean it properly. My mom's garden. Now add all the seasoning and the salt and everything and just season this together. And blend it. Now blend well, blend for about 3 minutes. I did it 2 times in 3 cups of water in total. So that's my fish marinating, and this is 3 cups of coconut milk. Add 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And just let that add. Just let that add until you start to see a little smoke. Do this. After 3 minutes, add 2 cups of coconut milk. Coconut peppered fish. Coconut fish. That's hot peppered coconut fish.